Welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a beauty video in a while, and I definitely haven't done an unboxing in a while. So a couple of weeks ago, probably around the holidays, I was scrolling through social media and I kept seeing ads for these body oils. And I was very curious because the girlies were all talking about how amazing they smell, how they're not like other oils, how, I've used body oils before and they do leave residue on your clothes and things like that. And even though this is an oil, it's not like that. Like, it really does absorb into your skin really nicely. It smells really nice. So I did some research on a few scents. This is of course online. You can't find this, in the stores that I know of, at least not on the East Coast. But I wanted to do a unboxing. So there's no special box. It comes in a regular box like this in the mail. But these oils are from Her Fantasy Box. Yes, it's called Her Fantasy Box. And I was literally, it was all over my Instagram, all over my Facebook page. And I'm like, what is this and why does it keep popping up? So you've got, influencers and a lot of, artists and people just talking about these things. So I'm like, you know what? I don't mind the oils, especially in the summertime. I don't like to feel cakey with lotions and creams and things like that. But, I do like to have a nice little oil, something with a good scent, nothing too crazy. I don't like being super oily. I don't like very strong floral scents. I don't like that. I'm more of a flirty, classy, fruity, candy-ish kind of smell girly. I have my moments where I love the sexy, deep noted perfumes, but nothing floral. Like, I'm not a Chanel girly. I do not like Chanel. I have worn Valentino, Marc Jacobs. I have worn a few others, but it depends. For me, I have to smell them. So I took a risk getting these oils, but I was really curious because I think it would be just nice, especially I like layering also. So I don't mind having a little bit of oil. I heard that the girlies are layering this up with body spray, perfume, and it's lasting all day. We'll see about that. But I got 2 bottles here, and these are, how many? These are 8-ounce bottles of body oils. This first one is Mental Rest. This is Mental Rest, and it says it's lavender vanilla. So I'm assuming it's lavender and vanilla. It says locks in moisture, promotes healthy skin, softens and smooths. And let's see here. They are also vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, which I absolutely love. And there is grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, lemon oil, turmeric oil, rosehip oil. So it's pretty good stuff. This other one is called Yummy. So I don't know what this is, but I was looking at what the girlies were saying about this, and they said that this is a very sweet smell. It just says berry nectar on it. So I haven't opened them. They were in that box. I was waiting to do this unboxing. I like, let's see. Oh, they're sealed. Okay, so let's see what this first one smells like. I hate these things. I just got my nails done today too, and they're like very short now. All right, so this one is the vanilla. Oh my gosh. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, this smells really, really good. This smells like you had a really long day, you want to come home and you want to just take a shower and just lay down and just relax. I feel like this would literally put you to sleep. Not literally, but it doesn't have a very strong, you know, sometimes depending on what product it is, anything with lavender in it can have a very, very strong floral lavender scent, or it can have a very light scent. This is very light. I'm not a vanilla girl either. I do not like too much vanilla scents. The vanilla peeks through this just enough to where it's not overpowering. Oh my gosh, this smells so bomb. I'm excited. I'm excited to use this one. Her Fantasy Box. Y'all did good with this one. Y'all did good with this one. Okay. That one I give, oh my God. Oh my gosh. I give it like, it's like an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Okay. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells so relaxing. So relaxing. So this one is Yummy. Let's see what this one smells like. Let's see if the girlies were right about this one. Oh my gosh. I kind of regret making my nails shorter today. Now this has berry nectar in it. So it has... Oh, this one is... Oh, this one is sexy. This is a very sexy, flirty, candy. Let me tell y'all something. Listen, fellas, if y'all get, y'all girls, this oil, the Yummy scent, y'all gonna get yourselves in trouble. Promise you that. This is, to me, you know what? I love this. Out of the two, I actually want to give this one a 9 out of 10. This one I say I want to give it 8 out of 10, only because this one I feel like you can use every day, anytime. To me, this reminds me of summer. It's a summer candy ice cream kind of. It doesn't have vanilla. It's very fruity, but it's flirty. It's flirty. It's sexy. It's sweet. Yeah. I like this one. This one, it smells. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So good. But this one, every night before bed. Every night before bed. These two I love. I think they've got maybe like 6 or 7 cents, but I think they have a bunch of other stuff on their website. I will leave the link down below to where I got these so you guys can go and check them out. This is not sponsored. This is just me giving you guys my review on my oils, and I wanted to give you guys a little unboxing to let you guys know, to smell them, to get your my real reaction. I can't even talk straight. Oh my God. Yeah, this one's definitely a 9 out of 10. This one is very, very, very... Oh, I love this one too. This is good for when, if you are going out with the girls and you're having like a fun night and you want to get it, you know what I mean? Like, this is just, my girlies will understand. They'll understand. But this one's very like calming, very nice, soft. It's not overpowering. It's not floral. Even though it's lavender, it's not very pungent. It's very, very nice. So, fellas, Valentine's Day is around the corner. So if you've got a little lady friend, girlfriend, wife, whatever, go over to their website and get her some oils. Thank me later. Again, this is not sponsored. This is just me telling you what I like, and I love both of these. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed my unboxing and my review for Her Fantasy Box body oils. Any questions down below, leave them down there. And again, I'll leave the link to the website to where I got these from. And as always, if you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, hit like, share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later. Toodles!